Hello everyone, Lily here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find TikTok users from contacts, so you can find new users and friends on TikTok. So let's get started right away. Let's go ahead and open up our TikTok app over here. When you're here on TikTok, a very clear way to search for users is to tap this magnifying glass icon over here at the top right hand side of the screen. And then go to users. This will only show you a generic list of all the people with just the name Jake, so if it was a famous celebrity, you could also type in their name and then they'll show up over here. But, if you only want to search for a user from your contacts, go back to your home feed and tap on this new Friends tab over here. And as you can see, there are two buttons that say Connect with Contacts and Connect with Facebook Friends. So if you don't see this Friends tab or these options, make sure you're using the most recent version of the TikTok app. To find TikTok users using your contacts, simply tap this button and then tap OK. This will basically show you all of your contacts who use TikTok. You can also do the same thing by selecting the profile icon on the bottom right and then selecting the plus icon at the very top left. When you are on this screen, you can invite friends, which simply allows you to copy a link or send a text message to your friends. You can also select contacts, which will show you every one of your contacts and allow you to follow them here only if they are using TikTok. You could next tap Facebook Friends, which will take you through the process of signing into Facebook and linking your Facebook friends to see whether they also have a TikTok account. So those are some of the variety of options available to find different users. When you're doing a user lookup, you may not even have their TikTok username, so you could use this variety of approaches to find and follow TikTok users. I hope this information is useful. If it is, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.